I'm going to be installing an Airalo eSIM on my iPad. Open up the app. Here are the countries that you can sign up for eSIMs for. If you can't find the country, do a search. Costa Rica is here. Let's see if Argentina is available. Let's see if France is available. Let's see if the United Kingdom is available, UK. And let's see if Georgia is available. You can also sign up for regional plans. If you're going to be in a specific area of the world, say Africa, Asia, let's try Asia. These are the different data plans that you can sign up for. Now, before you sign up for the regional plan, make sure the countries that you're going to be visiting are going to be available in this plan. Let's try Japan. It's there. Philippines. It's there. Singapore. Yeah. Vietnam. Perfect. Now, they also have a global plan. These would be the global plans. A use case scenario for this is if you're going to be visiting multiple regions of the world, like say you're going to go on a long-term cruise, Africa, Asia, this would be the plan you would sign up for. I'm just going to sign up for the cheapest regional Asian plan I can get because I'm just trying this plan out. Just in case you run out of data or go long on your vacation, these are the different top-up plans where you can add either data or days to your plan. One thing about this eSIM plan, it is a data-only plan. You cannot receive phone calls, you cannot receive text messages. However, you can always sign up for voice over IP applications like WhatsApp or Google Voice where you can do your telephone calls or your text messages. I did set up Apple Pay on my iPad. I set up my iPad with Apple Cash. I do have $5 readily available and a couple dollars in my savings just in case I need to top up. Now, just in case you don't want to use Apple Pay, you can also set up a couple different payment options. You can set up a credit card, PayPal, Alipay. You can also type in a discount code. There's the discount allocated to my purchase. And now let's check out the details of the eSIM. So it actually gives you instructions on how you want to install the eSIM. These are the actual screens that your iPhone is going to go through. Couple warning instructions, just let you know what's going on. Feel free to read along with me. And now we're going to install the eSIM. It's very important that you do not interrupt this process. And also, once you install it, you cannot delete it and reinstall. You have to buy a new one. So here we go. Click continue, it's activating. Continue. I think this is the portion where it really takes a long time. I think this portion will take about 20 seconds. So try not to cancel this process because once interrupted, you have to do it all over again. And this is real time. I'm not speeding anything up. There we go. Now, from what I've read and what I've researched on YouTube, the clock doesn't start ticking on your plan until you actually connect to a network that's listed on your regional plan. So you can theoretically do this way before your trip. Again, try not to interrupt this process. It's almost done. There we go. Cellular setup complete. If you're feeling generous, use the discount code I have in the description. It gives you $3 off, gives me another $3 I can use towards a new plan.